Maximum compatibility. The USB 3.0/eSATA hard drive docking station features a sleek slot loading design that supports both 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches drives. It also supports large capacity drives, up to 6 terabytes. Maintains optimal temperature. The HDD docking station for 2.5 or 3.5 SATA III has a built-in 80mm fan that helps keep your drives running cooler. The fan helps reduce power consumption and noise. Smart design. The hot swap docking station with UASP will power down your SATA drives after a period of inactivity, USB mode only, or when the computer is turned off. UASP Enhanced. The hard drive docking station with fan also supports UASP, which delivers performance up to 70% faster than conventional USB 3.0 when paired with a compatible host controller. Easily connect and swap hard drives and solid-state drives to and from your computer system, with the added benefit of a built-in 80mm fan. Works with eSATA or USB 3.0 computer systems such as MacBook Pro and 2.5 and 3.5 SATA hard drives and solid-state drives. eSATA SSD dock, SATA 6 gigabits per second transfer speeds, USB 3.0 HDD dock with UASP. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it's supposed to do. Came in with fast shipping and works great. It eased my mind with not having to because a technician. I simply attached this adapter to the system and it worked just fine.